If you ever hesitate before saying your price out loud, this might be why. A lot of entrepreneurs think the problem is confidence. They think that they just need to believe in themselves more, right? Especially when it comes to their pricing. But after studying impactful brands and seeing how they operate, I've learned something a little different. Pricing only feels uncomfortable when it isn't aligned with what you are offering. I'm LaMorvielle, and this channel is called Brand Impact 365. I am committed to posting one video a day for a full year while I study impactful brands, while I rebuild my business, and I share what I'm learning in real time with you guys. So, all I do every day is study how successful brands are built. And this one is showing up constantly when I am looking at pricing of these impactful brands, how they price their products and their offers. Here's the first thing that most entrepreneurs really don't realize. When your offer isn't clearly structured, your pricing feels very random. Even to you, not just your customers, not just the people seeing your offers, right? Now, think about this. Have you ever changed your price multiple times? Not because your business changed, but more because you felt unsure about what price you were offering. Okay, that usually means the price isn't tied to a clear outcome. Okay, impactful brands don't just pick prices based on feelings or emotions, right? Their price based on value, their structure, and their results that they get from or that their audience gets from what they are offering. Alex Hermosi talks about this idea about pricing being a signal, right? When the price doesn't match the outcome, people hesitate, they wait for a second. And so do you. You kind of feel that vibe as well. Here's another question for you. Do you ever feel like you need to explain or justify your price after you say what your price is? Okay, that's not because the price is too high. All right, it's actually because the offer hasn't been clearly positioned yet. So you don't even understand the value that you offer, that you bring. And so it shows in it shows up how you present that price to your audience, right? So when people understand what they're actually getting from you and why it matters that they're getting it from you, pricing feels a little bit more grounded. It feels a little bit more stable. It doesn't feel awkward, right? So here's the final insight that changes everything. Okay, listen up. Confidence is not about pricing. Okay, confident in pricing doesn't come from charging more. It actually comes from knowing exactly what your offer does and who your offer is for. When your price is aligned with those two things, then you stop second guessing yourself. You stop over explaining your offers, right? You stop discounting out of the fear of, you not having the right price, right? Your business actually starts to feel more stable instead of feeling shaky and unsure. Okay. That's one of the biggest lessons that I'm actually applying right now while I'm rebuilding my own brand and what I have to offer. And again, I am documenting this to share with you guys my whole process here on Brand Impact 365. So if you are enjoying this video and this video did help you get a little bit more clarity about your offers and the pricing that you have for your business, please, friend, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I truly do appreciate your support. All right, my friends, thank you so much again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.